Welcome to the world of group home riches, where you can achieve financial freedom while making a positive impact on society. Are you tired of working long hours for someone else? Do you dream of being your own boss and creating a better future for yourself and others? Look no further. With Group Home Riches, you can invest in real estate and provide a valuable service by offering safe and comfortable homes for individuals in need.
The number one investment in real estate.
And start building a better future for yourself and those around you. Let's make a difference together with Group Home Riches.
And about, like, how long did it take for you to fill the properties once you had them ready?
Once I marketed, oh my God, maybe 2 weeks. And I still have people just on a waiting list that contacts me monthly. Like, are your rooms still full? Do you have anything available yet? Like, it's just unbelievable.
And you're in Detroit, right?
Yes.
So, like, one of the keywords that we recommend is rapid rehousing. Is that one of how you found?
No, that is actually not how I found it. To be honest with you, I found all of my people through Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah,
okay.
Facebook Marketplace is incredible.
Yes, everybody that I have staying with me has come from there. I have one guy. He's a younger guy. He's 18. He's from Africa. I talked back and forth with his brother in Africa for 2 months. He was coming here to go to school, and he was supposed to be here from May to December. Well, he has already confirmed with me that he is not going back to Africa. He is planning on still staying with me until he's finished with his 4 years in school. Yeah, I want to be able to expand. So now that's where we're running into, like, being able to get another home or get another 4-family flat or something to that extent, so that we can have room for the people that I just got on hold.
Yeah, if I was in your shoes, I would don't expand too quickly. Try to get another house. Oops.
Yes, that's it. That's what I want right now, is another house. I'm just saying that my future goal is to try to do something bigger down the line. But right now, I would love to just have another house going. I think our ultimate goal is to, we want to have at least 5 houses in the next couple years. And I know it's obtainable. You know what I mean?
You can do more than that.
That's totally attainable. Yeah.
You can do way more than that.
So I guess it's just me getting with the right set of people, or putting myself in the right place to be able to talk to the right people.
The other beauty of this business is that, depending on how much you're paying for these homes, oftentimes you can get them paid off in 3 to 5 years, just with the cash flow
that's coming in. Yeah, and that's what we're doing. We're just putting the extra money right now just to get this house paid off, and hopefully we can get it paid off in the next 2 years.
Yeah. I mean, where else can you pay off a house in 2 years?
Right, exactly.
It's unheard of.
Want to learn more about the future real estate? Sign up for your free training material at www.grouphomeriches.com.